Welcome. If you want to open chat in Garena Free Fire Max, all you have to do is simply click on the left bottom corner on this icon, and here we have the word chat. We can also go for our teams, friends, we can go for the word. We can, for example, join for the squad right here. Okay, it's a teammate game. But we can type here, hey, click send, and here we can also receive the other word messages. Here we got also the loudspeaker feature, but we have to get diamonds to use that option for the 10 messages, so I can only use this one. And with the loudspeaker, we will get this kind of the border around our message. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.